Hi, I'm Craig with Datavideo. Today is October 2021. As you know, NAB has been canceled, but we still have a lot of new products we wanted to show. So I'm going to have a little sneak peek for you for our Infocom show that's later this month. Before we pack it all up, I want to show it to you. And the first one I want to show you is ShowCast 100. The ShowCast is Datavideo's first 4K switcher, 4K 60p. I can have up to 3 cameras input to control, and I also have the ability to bring in a laptop for graphics or any other kind of PowerPoint presentation. So let me show you the workflow of the ShowCast. First of all, it's got 4 HDMI inputs and 4 HDMI outputs. It also has XLR audio inputs and RCA. So here's the interface of the ShowCast 100. I have 2 cameras connected, so you can see I have them here, 1, 2. Here's the 2 black shots you see here. I don't have any inputs. Program is right here. And this is all touchscreen panel, so I can actually touch this to switch from camera to camera. The control is built into the ShowCast 100. Very cool, because it's a little joystick right here. And as you can see, this camera here, I can move it left or right, up or down, just with this little joystick right here, or zoom in and out with my little zoom toggle here. I can change the speed of that, my moving motion of the camera, slow, medium, or fast. Over here I have my program or preview, so I can put a camera in preview mode, and then I can use the T-bar right here. So it's basically very much like a touchscreen switcher is what it is, and that makes it really simple to use. And you can go into the setup menu to shade your cameras, get them in focus and iris. And then of course the menu is right here. You can access that as well. Now everything else I showed you here is touchscreen, but we also have some hard buttons. They're actually you push. And so these are your effects, your transitions. I have a picture-in-picture button, your cuts, your auto wipes, and Luma key. That Luma key allows me to bring in a laptop for lower thirds, any type of graphic or PowerPoint that I want to bring in. I can just overlay it with the Luma key button. The streaming and recording is right here. So this is another option I have on the ShowCast 100. I can put my card right here, my SD card right here, and then I can start my recording. I can start my streaming. And where you go. All built into the ShowCast 100. Incredible. Now let's give you an idea of how it's all connected. First of all, if you want to use the camera outputs directly to the ShowCast, you can do that. To control it, I'll need a network cable like this. Plug into the back of the camera, the back of ShowCast, and I can do that 3 times. So this is a way of controlling the camera directly. And of course, the HDMI would go straight in from the camera into the ShowCast. A second way you can connect the PTC280 4K camera is through HDBaseT. Now in this particular workflow, I have this camera, I have a network cable that's connected from here to the HBT30. This is a brand new product as well. This will handle up to 3 cameras and will send power to my camera through the HBT15. So that's a way of being able to have a point-to-point with power, video, and control all through the HBT30, which then is connected to the ShowCast using an HDMI cable. So I have a workflow here for HDBaseT and directly connect the PTC280 to the ShowCast. Either way works. Just real quick to mention, the PTC280 is not a new camera, but it's a great camera. We really like it. It's a very good quality 4K camera, great in low light. We've used it in a lot of different venues that quite impressive. So don't be afraid to take a look at the PTC280 to go along with the ShowCast for a full end-to-end 4K 60p workflow. And there you have it. ShowCast 100 is our first 4K switcher. Not only a switcher, but touchscreen, camera control. It's an all-in-one solution for any event person that wants to go out and shoot a wedding, some type of church event, anything like that, corporate event, it's awesome. So take a look at the ShowCast 100 if you're coming to InfoComm. Otherwise, you can go to our website at www.datavideo.com. Also, don't forget to like us on our social media. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.